Okay. Got a special one today. This is a 1948 Indian Chief, unrestored. Now the motor and tranny are all redone. I didn't do them. They must have got done 25, 30 years ago, I'm assuming, because the bike's was sitting that long when I got it. Whoever did it knew what they're doing, because this thing runs real good, and it has no time on it. The tranny is nice and tight. It don't even think about slipping out of gear. The motor is whisper quiet. It's crazy responsive. It makes awesome power. Now, as far as Indian Chiefs go, I've had a lot of them. This is right at the top. I mean, this, I won't say 100% certainty this is original paint, because I didn't get it from the original owner, and he didn't tell me he never painted it. But I got it from, I think the guy said he's the third owner. He didn't know. I know these bikes really good. I've restored a lot of them. I've ridden and owned a lot of them. This bike doesn't have a repo, nut, or bolt anywhere I can find on it. The paint looks 100% authentic and original. Indian didn't use primer. There's no primer on this bike. The red's a correct red. It just screams unrestored. The engine's been redone. Like I said, the transmission, clutch feels great. I was just riding around on it. The bike runs phenomenal. The spokes, the rims, all original. To me, this is an original paint bike. Yeah, I sprayed it all down with oil and rubbed it. Just an incredible example of a 48 Chief. You'll see 10 original paint 48 paint heads before you see an Indian like this. Original dash and speedo. All right, I'll shut up and start it now. Still a little bit warm, maybe. Yeah, just give just one prime kick should do it. I mean, when you rebuild one of these engines, if you set the valves to the stock tolerances, they say, they sound like a bag of bolts. I don't set mine that loose, and whoever did this motor didn't either, because they know what they're doing. This bike is quiet, no smoke, no ticking. Pumps oil like nobody's business too. Just a really, really nice bike. Awesome patina. Look at original bags, original seat. Insides of the tanks are beautiful too. They've never been sealed and they don't leak. Just a real straight, beautiful bike. Unrestored. Man, that motor runs good. I mean, will you listen to that? That ain't making your dick hard. Your dick must not work. Unrestored. Oh, I wish I didn't have to sell this.